YouTube paid me without AdSense. Yes, you heard that right. Before I even got monetized. A lot of content creators are relying solely on YouTube monetization, forgetting that there are other opportunities that can actually keep the flow of income while you're waiting for the monetization. So if you are yet to be monetized, you don't have to panic, you don't have to overwork yourself, you don't have to think. Now listen to this video and learn something from this video and start implementing right away. I'm going to show you my dashboard, how much I made last year when I started becoming consistent on YouTube, and this year. You might have been hearing of brand deals, right? You don't need to have a big number of subscribers for you to start earning on YouTube. All what you need is what I'm going to be sharing in this video. So if you don't want to miss any part of this video and you want to start earning even while you're waiting for YouTube monetization, then I would advise you to watch this video to the end. Now, the very first thing I'm going to mention here that actually made me money even before monetization is collaboration. Yes, collaboration is one major way you can get paid on YouTube. How? You just need to have a niche. Let people know you for something. Yes, when I started without knowing what I was doing, but I was doing something without knowing, and people were watching me, people were seeing my videos, they were loving one or two things that I was doing in my video, and not until I got a message that actually got me so, like, I was so overwhelmed with joy that actually, as small channel as I am, that people were actually watching me. So you might have low views. Your low views is not equated to your value. I've said this many times in my videos. So don't look down on your low views. You might have low views, but you have what the world is looking for. And when they see value, they come for it. Remember, people don't pay you for just paying you. They pay you because you are valuable enough. You have value. Money is in real value is. You start dishing out value in your channel despite your number. You start earning. Now, this is my dashboard. Just imagine you having, this is my seller store. So just imagine you having another source, maybe an extra source of income that every month, maybe let's say monthly, weekly, or even daily, you are receiving money into your wallet. You understand what that means, right? Okay, so this is the importance of having a side hustle while you're waiting for the big fish. This is to tell you that there is money anywhere and on internet. That is, if you know how to position yourself to get this money. Another method that you can actually earn money here is affiliate marketing. The link is in the description of this video, so you go ahead and click the link, register, get the course. Is 5 days, just 5 days. You already have something that will generate you money in the long term. Now, I got this course and I studied it. Just 3 days after this study of this course, I got a message like this. Just by, there is money. It is about you.
If you know how to run ads, but you're not making up to 500k every month, this is the best that you have watched in a long while. If you know how to run meta ads, that is Facebook, Instagram, and Threads ads, if you know how to run those, this video is going to help you make at least 500k every month. Understand that this is something that I've done for more than a year and I've made money out of it. Something that we even packaged into a training and people are paying for it to learn it, and it's changing their life as well. So I'm about spilling one of my biggest secrets, but the thing there is that I'm not going to spill all of it like plainly, but I'm
going to pause here because of the length of this video. A lot of value is dished in this video. There is what we call digital product. So if at this stage of this digital age and you don't have a digital product, then you are missing money on the table. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and grab this product. Go and, like, when you every day you implement it. My email is in the description of my channel. If you have any challenge, reach out to me. For clarity, reach out to me. If you are getting stuck at some point, reach out to me. I'm available. I'm going to guide you, but you have to start from somewhere. You learn how to run ads by yourself. You learn how to create a digital product from zero. You have no idea, you have no knowledge, you have not done it before. But this course is able to take you step by step. It's not YouTube video that you watch. No, it's not a YouTube what is it, tutorial. No, this is a class that was organized and the class was recorded. And this class is what I used. It is worth the monetary value attached to it. So if you're interested, just jump on it. If you have a digital product and you've not made up to this amount of sales before, like 500 in a month and maybe 500, 200 to 500k in a month, then this is a great opportunity to jump on and grab this opportunity. I want you to go to the comment section and type in the comment section, I am making money this year. We are printing money this year. Just type in the comment section. Go and type it now. I want to read it. We are printing money. A lot of you are still waiting for YouTube monetization. It is not bad. So while you're waiting for YouTube monetization, there are other ways you can earn a living.